What's good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So this is basically just a sit down vlog, me updating you guys on what's going on because I've been away for a while. It's like roughly 7 months that I've been away. The reason for me not uploading any videos was university work was keeping me busy. Probably since January or whenever we started, I've been busy with university work. Couldn't get really much time to make videos for you guys, but I really missed it and I really missed making videos, so I'm forcing myself to get back into it because it's something that I love and enjoy and I should make more time for it. So with that said, if you have any video recommendations or requests that you want to see, drop them in the comments below. They're always open. I'm there chatting to you guys so we can get a conversation started. And with that said, there's not really anything else to say. So if you stick around, here's a little spec ad video I made a few weeks back for a company here in South Africa, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay blessed.